Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a nice laptop to repair. This is a Huawei i510 Gen. Pressing the power button and the laptop it is dead. The job is coming from a local repair shop, computer shop. Let's plug a charger and see what it's doing. They said can be a charging port problem. And yeah, most likely it is a charging port problem. This model is well known having charging port issues. Great, we have no screws here. Let's open the laptop. And the laptop is open. Looking good inside. So I will say let's go straight to the charging port, and that's what we have to check first, yeah? Just give me like few minutes to take the motherboard out. Yeah, this was cracked, this was missing. But should work even without. 1 minute. Okay, this screw is missing, so I'm assuming someone actually took the board out. And the board, it's out. Okay, that's interesting. Because the charging port is untouched. I mean, it still has the, you see the plastic over the pins from the factory? Yeah. Great, let's go under the microscope and check together. And if you see, like, everything is looking fine. But this one is coming out. And if you can see, not sure if you can see, every pin is broken. Check that. You can see how it's moving? Yeah. So every pin is broken. The solution, replacing the port, is kind of pointless. The problem is not the port. The port is fine. The problem are the tracks. Let's push these thingies to be sure the port is not moving. Good. Good. So now the port is not moving anymore. You can see it. Great. Let me grab the drill. And yeah, let's clean the tracks. It's not a hard job, but probably you need a microscope for that. Let's clean. And it's looking okay, right? Kind of. We still have this. Good. That's plus, that's minus. Good. Then here a little bit. And this plus. What happened with this plus? Okay, now it's looking good. So now we can start rebuilding the tracks. And rebuilding the tracks is kind of easy if you have in mind you have 3 pins together here. All 3 are ground, okay? Then you have 3 pins together here and all 3 are ground. Then 2 pins together plus 2 pins together plus. Then you have some data pins, yeah. I'm gonna use a transparent gel flux. Good. Now let's see what do we have here. Ground is fine, plus we have few tracks. Then ground here and plus. I mean everything is fine here. We can fix it. 180-degree solder wire. And we have the plus line here. If the board is stuck in the heat, just use hot air to help the solder iron. Let me grab some rosin. Rosin. Fantastic. Great. So we sort the ground and the plus. Let's go here. So this is ground here. And it's sorted. Then here is plus and it's fine. Then all what is left are few pins here. Some are good, some not. Great. Let me clean it and let's get closer there. Good. So I'm gonna grab a wire. We'll use wires to rebuild the tracks. Then more gel flux. Good. Let me focus this. So we have one wire here. Great. Fantastic. And the wire is coming exactly here. Perfect. That one is fixed. This one is fine. This one is fine. This one is fine. It's solder. This one is fine. This one is fine. I can't believe. I mean, every track is good. Every track is good. Ah. Okay, I think it's time for testing. Let's see. It is working. Plug in the charger and the meter is coming on. Check here. Yeah, 19 volts. Moving the port up and down, working fine. And from the other side, coming on, 19 volts, up, down, everything is fine. Good. Let's finish the job. I'm gonna use UV gel to finish the job. It is clean. So UV gel. Looking fine. Let's be sure we are covering everything. Yeah, that's all. That's all. Now we need UV light. Just like 1 minute to cure the UV gel. And everything, it is solid. Yeah. Fantastic. I will say the job is done. Let me be sure the port is actually clean inside. Fantastic. And that's how you do it. It's not hard, but really, you need a microscope. Or I don't know, maybe you have good eyes. If you have good eyes, yeah, you don't need it. Just give me like a few minutes to put the board back. Nearly finished. Let's plug the charger meanwhile, so the battery can charge. Probably is very, very discharged. Yeah, the battery position, great. Plug in the battery. I mean, we can plug the charger without the meter, yeah. And it's not charging, no current. Can you believe that? Probably the battery is super dead. Yeah, 19 volts with no current. That sucks, right? What you are doing on this case? I mean, we made few videos about how to bring your battery back to life. You see no current, nothing. So what you have to do is to come with the power supply, the battery voltage, okay, yeah, that's fine. Little bit of current, and we are pushing current into the battery. And check there, the battery is taking current. And you are pushing current till the moment you see the current is rising on your meter. Yeah, I have a limit, 600 milliamps limit. Check there, that's all. And now the laptop is charging, you see? Yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Let me put back everything. Okay, everything is back in place. The laptop is charging fine. Let's see if we have picture. Pressing the power button. But I can't see if the laptop... This doesn't have any LED? No LED. So how we can know if the laptop is working or not? The CPU is getting hot. Yeah, it is. It's taking... we have picture. Check there. We have picture. It's taking like 2.8 amps. Everything is fine. Yeah, up and running, and we have the charging sign there. Great. Let me shut down the laptop. Oh, what is that? What is that? Updates? Okay, that's proper long. Anyway, the laptop is fixed. I guess it's taking like 40 watts there. Hopefully now you can confidently repair the charging port on a Huawei laptop. I will say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye. Hey, if you find my content being helpful, don't forget you can support this channel by pressing the join button, and you can get instantly access to our members only cool collection and Discord private channels for support with your repairs. Also, you can have a look on our United Kingdom eBay, where you can find some cool and unique products, United States eBay store, or our Patreon page. Thank you.